Now let us solve the second problem. D square plus 4 of y is equal to secant 2x by the method of variation of parameters. Consider the given problem. It is d square plus 4 of y is equal to secant 2x. So here you see the right hand side term. Right hand side is secant 2x. So you take that as capital X. Capital X is secant 2x. Now you form the auxiliary equation. So just you replace d by m and rewrite the equation. So that is m square plus 4 is equal to 0. You bring this plus 4 to the other side. So that will become minus 4. So we get m square is equal to minus 4. M is equal to plus or minus 2i. Now let us form the complementary function. We know that the formula is e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So here alpha is real part is 0 and imaginary part beta is 2. So if you substitute in the formula, we get e power 0x into c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Therefore the complementary function is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x because e power 0x value is 1. Now you can compare this with the original method of variation parameter complementary function formula. So we get c1 f1 plus c2 f2, that is the actual formula. So if you compare, you can get the value of f1 and f2. So here f1 is cos 2x and f2 is sin 2x. So you write f1 value and f2 value. Next let us find its derivative f1 dash and f2 dash. So f1 dash is, you differentiate cos 2x, differential of cos 2x is minus sin 2x into differential of 2x is 2. So we get minus 2 sin 2x. Now you differentiate f2. So we get f2 dash is equal to differential of sin 2x is cos 2x into differential of 2x is 2. So we get 2 cos 2x. Next let us find out the denominator value f1 f2 dash minus f1 dash f2. That is equal to f1 is cos 2x into f2 dash is 2 cos 2x minus f1 dash is minus 2 sin 2x into f2 is sin 2x. Now let us simplify it. So 2 is a constant, cos 2x into cos 2x is cos square 2x. Minus into minus plus, we get 2 is a constant, sin 2x into sin 2x is sin square 2x. We can take 2 outside, remaining as cos square 2x plus sin square 2x. We know that value is 1. So we get 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, now let us calculate p, that is equal to minus integral f2x by f1 f2 dash minus f1 dash f2 dx. That is equal to minus integral, you substitute f2 is sin 2x. So sin 2x into capital X is secant 2x, that is given by denominator value already we have calculated, that is 2. That is equal to minus, you can take this 1 by 2 outside. So we get minus 1 by 2 into integral sin 2x into secant 2x can be written as 1 by cos 2x dx. That is equal to minus 1 by 2 integral sin 2x by cos 2x can be written as tan 2x dx. Now we want to integrate this tan 2x. So we know the formula integral tan ax dx is minus 1 by a log of cos ax. So here you can see in the place of a you are having 2. So you apply in the formula. So we get minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by a. So it is minus 1 by 2 log of cos ax. So here log of cos 2x. So integration is over. Now we can write this minus into minus will be plus. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So we get 1 by 4 log cos 2x. Okay, next let us calculate capital Q. It is integral f1x by f1 f2 dash minus f1 dash f2 dx. That is equal to integral f1, you substitute f1 value, it is cos 2x into capital X, it is right hand side function, it is sin 2x by denominator as 2 into dx. That is equal to 1 by 2 integral cos 2x into secant can be written as 1 by cos 2x dx. Now we can cancel this cos 2x and cos 2x. Remaining will be 1 by 2 integral dx. We know that integral of dx is x. So we get x by 2. Next, let us form pi. Pi is capital P f1 plus capital Q f2. That is equal to capital P, it is 1 by 4 log cos 2x into f1, f1 is cos 2x plus capital Q is x by 2 into f2 is sin 2x. So we get 1 by 4 cos 2x into log cos 2x plus x by 2 sin 2x. This is pi. Next, let us form the solution y. Y is equal to cf plus pi. That is equal to complementary function is c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x plus pi is 1 by 4 cos 2x into log cos 2x plus x by 2 sin 2x. So this is the solution of the second problem.